Ayos na dito. Okay na po. Eto na. Here we go. Jump ball. Nanalo si Tip. Ang Dark. Dark ang nanalo si Tip. Pinigay kay Gab. Gab to Paul. Lester. Boss, pasilip na shot clock. Oy! Lester with 2 points.
Oh, pwesto!
Assist by Gab.
1-3-1 sila. Okay.
So, unang pukol, 2-0. Naka Jonal. Jonal against 2. Jonal fade away. Wala. Rebound ako ni Jao. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni Pau. Lester for 2 points. Sino nag-assist?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Eto na. T-Mac setting up the floor. Again, ang mananalo dito ang champion for tonight. Jonah! 2 points. Galing kay Dima.
Bola kami. Dito. Oh, tsaka si Cap. Cap.
Shot clock 10 seconds. Paul sets his feet. Wala. Rebound ako ni Pidong. Pidong nakagawan. Pidong will be credited for the rebound. Pero may steal si Jonah. Tapos
Nice
2
one!
points and a foul. T-Mac for 2 points, no assist. And magpi-free throw siya. Sige lang, yung oras na yan kagalaw, huwag yung pansinin. Shot clock lang ang mare-reset niya.
Take your time.
Chong with the offensive rebound. Steal ni Lester. Lester goes all the way. No good. Rebound ako ni Jonal.
Ulaw na!
Jonal to Chao. Chao will go all the way. Manaas yan. Rebound makukuha ni Chong. Chong passes to Trey. 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Uy, may point tayo. Act of shooting. 3 free throws for Jonal. Pau with a personal foul. His first team foul ng Hades. Jonal, 3 free throws. First shot is good. Dum, 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 dum. Dum, dum, dum. 2 for 2. Three for 3.
Counter and owner. Walang mag-enroll dyan. Bola ka. 1-1 last ball. Rotate.
12 seconds sa shot clock. Lester baseline. Up, foul. Jonal, first personal. Seven, 4. Baseline throw. Lester to Pidong. Pidong, siksikan sila sa kanan. Pidong to Pau. 7 seconds sa shot clock. Lakay Pidong. Pidong backs down. Fades away. No good. Rebound ni Jonal. 7-4 pa rin. Steal by Lester. Ready substitution. Steal by Lester. Lester to Gab. Gab. Wala. Rebound. Jonal ulit. Mac. Easy 2 points by Boss Mac. Pero wala nang assist yun. Score is 9-4. 15 minutes and 30 seconds. The champions are really pushing the boundaries of teamwork. Eto na si Gab. Sumalaksak sa loob. Gab Versosa all the way. 9-6. Yun ang sagot ng Hades. Gab will try to carry his team to the crown tonight. Bakit? Rebound ni Pidong.
Kap, sir.
Na kay Pau. Pau to Paul. Balik kay Pau.
Okay.
12 seconds shot clock.
Kaya sa bato.
10 seconds shot clock. Tapik. 8 seconds shot clock. 7, 6, 5. Huli. Steal by Dima. Kinuwaloy ni Lester.
Bakas!
Malakas. Rebound by Jow.
Baba! Baba!
And turnover by... Sino yung huling namasa? Si Jow. Okay.
Gab, gab, gab!
Subs! Pasok! Pasok! Subs! Dali! Dalian nyo! Ruben and Marco, pasok. Paul and Lester out. Anthony and Jomel in. Dimac and... Uy, gago. Dimac and... Sino yung isa pang lumabas sa kanila?
Chong!
Si Chong. Paul Lester, ano? Wala, off to the left. Rebound ni Pidong. Pidong, wala pa rin. Ruben, wala pa rin. So, dalawang rebound tayo. Gab, may rebound din. Seven seconds, 6, 5. Ganda naman, oh. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni Donald. Kamay. Gray will pull up for the two, no good. Rebound naman na kay Gab. Nakuha ni Gab. Nakuha ni Gab. Nakuha ni Gab. Gab goes all the way. Hindi, pinasa kay Air Canada. Yes! Gab versus ako the assist. 9-8, isa na lang alam 13 minutes to go in this game.
Kunin ko.
Anthony with a long foul. No good rebound ni Jovel. Wala pa rin. Okay. 9-8 pa rin ang score. 12 minutes and 50 seconds to go. Na kay Marco. Marco, left wide open. Wala. Rebound ni Cray. Cray pa rin. Cray, bumaybay ng baseline. Nakagawan. Nakagawan sa likod. Pau will be credited for that steal. Pau, 2 on 1. Gab goes for the left hand. Ay. Score right, 10-9. May pending pending. Pending na sub sa white team, no? Sa white team. 10 seconds to shoot. Jonald, sa gilid, Cray, Jow, fade away. Wala. Rebound ako ni Marco, ganda na boxing. Marco to Gab. Gab, bumomba, huminto, wala. Rebound ako ni Jow. Oh, may steal tayo. Yes! Steal by Roel. Shot clock is now at 17. Pau. Oh, naku, outside yun. Okay, substitution. Dimac in. Dimac in. Cray out. Inbound situation, parehas isa. Wala pa rin tayong penalty situation. Jordan. Wala pass by Jordan. Pinomba. Wala. Rebound ako ni Dima. Wala pa rin. Now, Roel with the rebound. May rebound si Dima kanina. May rebound si Roel. 16 seconds. Huli ni Dima. Balik kay D. Dima with a pass to Joel. 2 points. Lamang ng isa. This is the battle for the championship, mga kaibigan. Hindi pwedeng hindi mainit ang laro. Siyempre, 11-10. Oh, wala pang backcourt. Sige, wala pa. 10 seconds to shoot. Oh, teka lang. Official's timeout. May dumaan na tennis ball. Okay, stop tayo sa 8 seconds. Wait lang. Timeout. Wait lang.
Okay, go.
Good. Dali. Ganda! 17. Next possession na mag-shoot ay change court na. 10 seconds to shoot. Jonal punta at 3. No good. Rebound ako ni Gap. Gap goes all the way. Oh, may foul tayo. D-Mac with his first. Time out, Dark Team.
Time out.
Time out, Dark Team. Dark Team, isa na lang time out nyo. Paki-orasan ng 30 seconds yan.
Dapat baseline naman. Okay. Hindi yun. Problema natin. Pilipan na natin nung...
Ay! Sir, doon na kayo mag-free throw. Doon na kayo mag-free throw. Yung score paki-swap na. Oo, dito na yung 12. Dito na yung 12. Hades ang lamang, Hades. Okay, tapos na yung timeout nyo.
Tapos pag ganun ka lang.
Oh, change court na yan. Dito mag-free throw, dito. Dito tayo mag-free throw. Change court na, change court na. Thank you. 9:57, may sub tayo. Sino?
Donald for Anthony.
Jonald for Anthony. Ha? Jonald for Anthony? Chong for... Chong for Jonald. Tama. Lester for Marco.
Iban siya. Iban siya.
Wala. Sablay. Timeout situation. Dalawa sa puti, isa na lang po sa dark. Wala pa rin. Rebound, makukuha niyo. Makukuha niyo. Gap pa rin. Gap to Pidong. Pidong pumikit. Pidong pa rin. Goes away. Wow! Ano mo kay Pidong? Sayang. Nice speed work by Boss Pidong. Shot clock is reset to 24 seconds. So yung oras paggalawin nyo. Pow with the 3! Assist by Air Canada, Ruel. Si Ruel daw. 15-11, lamang ng apat ang Hades, ang ating challengers. Foul si Pidong. Substitution! Gray in. Sino ang lalabas? Si Anthony.
Wala.
Oh, last 2 minutes na. Gray, Gap with a steal. Grabe si Gap. Uwat mundo. Binigay kay Lester. Lester, wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Air Canada. Air Canada, wala pa rin. Jomel na, no? Tapos may foul. Wala pa. Sino yung foul? Taas kamay, taas kamay. Si Ruel, si Ruel. Si Ruel ba? Taas na foul. 13 foul pa lang, 13 foul. Dalawa sa puti, tatlo sa altar. Jomel, balik yung Timak. Timak, wala give and go. Malakas sa tira. Rebound ako ni Pau. Pau to Gap, with the left hand. It's good. Gap with the 2 points, assist by Pau. Oh, may warning tayo. Warning na tayo, warning. Sigap. 17-11, animang lamang ng Hades. Timak to Jomel, wala give and go.
Stop tayo dito. Stop naman tayo ngayon.
17-13. Mga pending na sub. Lapit lang dito. 17-30. Apat lang ang lama. Steve by D-Mac. Wala. Steve by D-Mac. At may foul tayo. Second personal by Roel. Warning for penalty ang Hades. Subs. Subs. Ball in. Ball in. Roel out. Pwede na. Before the first free throw, pwede. Again, fourth team foul na ninyo, Fourth team foul na ng ng Hades. Ang mga nakaputi, dalawa pa lang ang foul as a team. Two shots pa raw. Two shots pa. Oo. Tumawid kasi si Paul. Wala talaga. Short pa rin. Pero sa kanya yung rebound. Wala pa rin. Kanya pa rin. Wala pa rin. Kanya pa rin. Tatlong sunod na rebound para kay Dima. Ay, may blue. Foul. Sino po? Number 2, si Pau. Penalty na po. Yung dark. Penalty na. Dalawang personal na si Pau. Dima with 3 rebounds in that position. May sub tayo. Sanik, sub na. Pasok. Pasok si Jonan. Labas si Jow. Ay, labas sino? Labas si Chong. Labas si Chong. Okay, okay. Penalty na ang Hades. Penalty. May power up. Inihipo na naman. Bola pa rin ang White. Dima doing all of the dirty work.
Hey, bola!
Tuloy-tuloy lang ang game clock. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang game clock. Naka Jomel, lumataas sa press. Hindi tumira. Si Jonah ang titira ngayon. Wala. Rebound. Ayun. Nakuha na ng kabila. Binigay kay Lester. Lester, kanyo na bola. Lester will settle down. Goes to Gab. Goes middle. Bola daw. Same ball. Tapit lang. Sab! Team out. Chong in. Lester goes all the way. Uy! May foul tayo. Sino po? Number 7. Number 7, Jonal. With his second personal foul. 13 foul ang puti. 13 foul. Naki Pau. Pau, go all the way. Wala. Gap pa rin. Gap umangat. Kanya talaga. Gap now with 10 points in the ball game. Siya ang unang Jao bumawi agad. His first 2 of this game. 19-16. Kalaro pa kami. 9:30. Tuloy na buhay, 9:33. Mukhang tama na, nakakalaro pa rin. Kaya pa yan. Running time na lang talaga. Eto na si Pau. Pau goes left. Midi. Short. Rebound. Nakukuha ni. Ano nakakuha? Wala. 19-16. Tatlo lang ang lamang ng Hades. The defending champs will not go away lightly, of course.
Harap!
Eto na si Jomel. Jomel, nakita ang baseline. Okay, may foul tayo. Mukhang si Paul yun. Obviously. Penalty na po. Penalty. Rock and roll to the world. Free throw gaming na.
Isa lang, men. Hindi ka lang dalawa. Isa lang.
Free throw gaming na. Ang puti. 19-16. Unang pukol ni Jomel. Pumasok.
17.
Oh.
8+1 high score.
17 oh, yung score. 18 na, 18. Yung score, mas pinapatay na yung score. 19-18. Nag-rebound sign naman dito sa...
Second chance.
Eto na si Paul. Pinagay kay Lester sa baseline. 9 seconds to shoot. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Umabot naman. Jacket Jomel. Against 3.
Push!
Eto si Craig. Lalaman na kaya ang champs? Tingnan natin. Tira ni Chow. Short. Ay, pasok na. Time out tayo. Time out. start. Si Jao ang huling nakashoot. Lamang ng isa ang Champs 2019. Again, wala na kayong timeout, Hades. 30 seconds. Teka, orasan natin. Sa Marco, sino papalitan mo? Si Paul. Si Rowell ba lalabas din? Si Rowell lalabas din? Ay, nasa labas ako na. Okay, resume. Ano, inaorasan ko. Yung time out na sa akin.
Isang stop.
10 seconds to shoot. Nakay Pidong. Pidong will take the 3 throw shot. It's good! Pidong with the 2 points. Assist na rin ako. May foul yata, no? 21-20. Ako, steal ni Lester yan. Steal ni Lester. Pau, balik kay Lester. Lester will try a 3. Nakuha ni Cray. Jomel, 2 points. Assist by Cray. 22-21. Free throw shot. No good. Rebound ni Jomel. Dikit ang laro. Donald with a 3. Assist ni Cray. 25-21. Apat na ang lamang ng Champs. Namumuro na ang back-to-back. Namumuro na.
Harap na sa'yo, Jomel. Angat, sige. Likod mo, ha. Cutter, harangan mo.
4. Traveling. Turnover by Gab.
Uy, tingin kayo sa may pressure. Tingin. Huwag yung hayaan yung isa. Tulong pa, isa pa. Yan.
May foul si Lester. Penalty.
Dalawa, Cray.
Penalty. Oh, may magsasab ba? The last 2 minutes, stop time, yung order natin.
Bend your knees. Follow through.
One more shot.
Take your time.
Tako na. Last 2 minutes, hatid sa inyo ng Dasani. Ay, sayang. Marco with the offensive rebound.
Harang mo lang. Sige, bitaw.
Oh, may foul tayo. Sino po? Strong number 7. Wala pang penalty ang kabila. Wala pang penalty. Warning pa lang. Yung next na foul nyo, ang penalty. Next na foul nyo. Nakay Gab. 10 seconds to shoot. Gab goes middle. Gab against 2. Block by Jomel. 7 seconds on the shot clock. 7 seconds to shoot.
Magtapat sa gitna. Si Marco.
Gab to Pau. 5 seconds to shoot. Gab and Pau will take the 3. Yes! Pau with the 3! Assist by Gab Versosa. It's only a 1-point lead by Poseidon. And a steal. Almost a steal. Almost a steal.
Hey, tulong.
A steal by Pau. Yes! Pau with the steal. Ay, nakuha na si Pau. Penalty. Penalty. First personal ni Cray. Pero penalty na rin yung so, 4 teams, free throw gaming na. Timak in, sino out? Jomel. So, nasa stop time territory na tayo. 1 minute, less than 2 minutes na. Pau misses the first shot. This to tie the game. No good. Rebound ni Chow. Chow to Cray. Cray crosses the half-court line. 25-24. Bringing in D-Mac. Mac with the 2 points. Easy 2 points by D-Mac. Cray. Isa pa. 3-point din ang lamang ng offensive foul by Cab. Wala yung free throw. Wala yung free throw. Offensive foul lang yan. Okay, 58 seconds to go. Tatlo naman. Nakuha ni Chow, nakawala si Chow. Chow, napitawan na bola. Outside. 4 na segundo lang ang natunaw doon, mga kaibigan. Eto na, humihigpit ang labanan. Talaga naman. Quick to kaya ang kukunin ng kabila. Hindi, they will go for the 3. They will go for the 3. No good. Rebound ako ni Marco. Same ball tayo. Marco will be credited for the rebound. Ay! Ano po ang... Okay, change ball tayo, change ball. White ball tayo, white ball. So it's still 3 points, 42 seconds to go. Mahigpitan ang depensa. Nakay Craig. May foul tayo. Sino? Number 24. Sinong 24, boss? Dalawa yan. Ayan. Lester with his second personal. Penalty, 2 free throws. Hindi tayo pwede magkamali. 36 seconds to go in the game clock. Buti lang itong microphone ko na buhay hanggang late game. Gray still finding his rhythm in the free zone. This is for the title for tonight. Ganda. Second free throw is good. 4 na naman. May enough na cushion na kaya ang kabila. Na kay Lester. Will they go? Marco. 16 seconds to shoot. Lester goes middle. Binigigil Pau. Pau is open. Pau will take the 3. Oh my goodness, this game is part ng over, mga kaibigan. This game is part ng over. Up, after time foul. Up. Sino naman? Stop, 17 seconds. Gab with his second personal penalty tayo. 2 free throws for Jam. Grabe, no? 15 minutes na lang yung laro natin mamaya. Tuloy lang.
Rebound.
Wala na timeout ang Hades. Wala nang timeout ang Hades. Second free throw is good. It's only a 2-point lead. It's only a 2-point lead. To Marco. 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 Naku! Hindi! Tingnan pa rin. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. For the tie. What a game! What a game! Mga kaibigan. Okay. Teka lang, i-generate ko yung... Ano yun?